Dami nga nagtatanong sa akin kung sa wedding ko, matagal pa.
Bakit kami naiinip? Bakit daw 2 years pa?
Kasi parang, para sa amin kami na. So, hindi namin kailangan magpadali. Ina-enjoy namin ang mga careers namin. Isa-isang time namin. We're not rushing our families to combine either. Kasi syempre, you know, things like this, you need time. Hindi pwedeng pinipilit ng two families.
Hindi na daw. Ikaw, oo.
Hindi niya kailangan.
No, ito, one thing I've learned. Dapat pala makipag-date muna bago magka-boyfriend.
Okay.
Oh, that's my ano.
Take your
Bakit nga
time.
naman?
Okay.
So I have to get to know the people naman who wants to get to know me.
Okay.
You have plans? Ano na yung plans for kung 2 years na yan? Ano ba yung parang
Actually,
gusto mo?
wala pa kaming plans kahit ano. So, for now, yun nga, sabi hindi namin minamadali kasi this is family we're talking about. So, ina-enjoy talaga namin ang moments together and getting everybody closer together and more bonded.
Ikaw ba? Ano yung dream wedding mo? Kung ikaw masusunod?
Nako, pwede mong imbitado yung buong Pilipinas. Joke lang. Hindi,
Bongga ba to? Grand?
Hindi naman. I just
Beach?
feel like kung pwedeng hindi grande, pero kasama lahat ng taong kilala ko sa buong buhay ko. I mean, lalo na dito sa ABS, I've been with them for 17, 18 years. Ang dami kong people na naging close that I would want there. Kung afford ko lang, invite ko lahat ng tao.
How's your relationship ng son? Magawa yung lahat ng
Great. You know, that's why also I'm taking this time. Because they're enjoying it. And I feel like I don't want it to be forced. So, they enjoy their time together. And as of now, sobrang parang feeling ko they were made for each other.